Cloud design is very powerful, but the usage limits are actually brutal. You can burn through your whole session by just uploading your design system or in under 5 to 6 prompts, which basically makes the entire design process so cumbersome and it just breaks the entire flow. But there is a solution to this. Open Design is actually an open source version of Claude Design. It gives you the same experience, runs locally, works with any model, and has no caps. So, in this video, I will install it, build a full project, and show you every step. So, let's get started. So, first of all, let me be very clear. Claude design is actually very, very impressive. You give it a brief, it asks the right follow ups, it builds something polished. I've used it to put together entire design systems in a single session that would have taken hours in Figma. But Claude design actually comes with few problems. Let us go deeper into what are those problems and how open design is fixing those. So the first is context window burns very fast. If you're actually doing real work, iterating on a design system, building multiple screens, going back and forth with feedback, which is actually the real world workflow, you will hit the wall in under half an hour. And some folks are just getting one project per week on their $20 per month pro plan. And apart from that, there are three other things that bothers me. The first thing is that you're locked into one model provider, which is Claude. You want something cheaper for quick iterations, want a model that's better at a specific task. Too bad. That cannot be done with Claude design. The third one is that the outputs have started to look pretty much the same. I've seen enough Claude design projects now that I can spot them instantly. If I can do that, similarly, your clients can also do that. The fourth one is that you're fully inside the Anthropic's ecosystem. Sure, you can export to Claude code, but every decision you make inside that tool actually deepens the lock in itself. Then there is no commercial clarity itself. Many Claude design clones on GitHub actually have restriction licenses. You can't legally sell what you've actually built. So now, if you're just experimenting or trying things out, none of this actually matters. But if you're actually running an agency, producing design work at volume across multiple clients with different brand guidelines, the constraints stack up really fast. So, how does open design solve every one of those problems? So, the first thing, it runs completely locally. Nothing leaves your machine unless you tell it to. And then you can bring in any model provider of your choice. You can run it with local models. You can plug in your API keys. You can use Cloud Code CLI. You can use Codex CLI, literally anything. And we will cover all of it. Then you get actually 71 baked in brand design systems. You get Airtable, Apple, Coinbase, Nike, Stripe, PlayStation, Lamborghini, and the list just goes on. You don't just get the color palettes, you get proper brand DNA, typography, layout language, spacing logic, tone of voice. And the best part, to be honest, is that it's Apache 2.0 license. This allows you to have commercial use, modification, distribution, client work, resale, everything is permitted. There are no royalties at all. There are no permissions needed ever. And that matters if you're doing this professionally. Also, one point, there are a bunch of Claude design clones on GitHub as of now, but Open Design is the only one which has the Apache 2.0 license. So you better refer to this only. Now, coming to the installation, which is probably the easiest part of the whole video. Just come over to the GitHub repo of Open Design. The link is attached in the description. Click on code HTTPS and just copy the URL to clipboard. Now you can go to any agent of your choice. You can go to Claude Code, Codex, Open Code, anything that you literally want. But I will do this inside Codex. So let me just open it. So what you will do is just paste the repo link and ask it to, hey, can you clone the project and run this? And that's it. Your agent will now actually install this. But anyways, it won't matter. Your agent can go through the entire process easily and do the entire setup. So now my open design is actually running in my local. And as soon as you open this, you see that the entire UI looks quite familiar and it's intentional. The developers reverse engineered the Cloud Design UX and rebuilt it open source. So now the first screen that you see is setting up of open design. You can connect any local CLI like Cloud Code, Gemini, Codex. These are the ones which I already have installed. Or I can use any API keys. For media providers, I can actually provide OpenAI API keys as well, or any other provider, and do image generation from here as well. So I'll select Codex CLI and just get started with it. Let's go to the example section. And over here, you will find the example section to be different from that in your actual Claude design. So in Claude design, if you see the examples for this, which we have already seen before, but over here you'll have a different and more business oriented examples. So let's build something. I'll call it SaaS Analytics Dashboard. I don't have my design system over here, but I can choose from all of the 71 providers which were available. Let's do something like Ferrari. That's it. Create. So let's do this. It already is providing me a placeholder prompt for SaaS Analytics Dashboard. I just click on it. It's saying a dense analytics dashboard for a developer tool. SaaS KPIs should be go week, two stack line charts, MRR, world heat map of usage, a cohort retention, dark theme. Sounds good. Let's just send this. And you see it's initializing my codex over here right now, and you can see the working as well. Similar to Claude Design, it will ask you a bunch of questions to actually get and gather more context. So I want this in a desktop view, and this is for product managers. It should be luxury and refined, I think. Brand context, use the active Ferrari inspired design system. Yep, I would love that. I use plausible data, information, very dense operator console, and that's it. And there it is. You have your product analytics command board, you have your MRR numbers, active workspaces, activation, net retention, churn risk, all of the things that a PM needs. And then you have your world usage heat map, your cohort retention grid, other things like real time event feed, your plan mix, then your top customers. Pretty good dashboard, to be honest. Once you click on share, you can actually export this as a PDF and also deploy it to Vercel. Now I'll tell you the coolest part. What you can do is switch model in between generation. So I generated this using one model. Now I'm just switching to a different model itself. I switch to Cloud Code. And over here, I'm selecting Opus model for this. This can only be done inside Open Design. Now I'll say that now I need to have interactive elements inside of it. So for example, the charts or the heat map, if I hover over any element, you show me that particular element in a tooltip. Apart from that, make the numbers as well as the chart come out more. I want them to be more neon in color as well as show Ferrari's red colors as well. And now you can see it has started working on it, and you can see the thinking as well. And you have just switched your models just like that. So our editing has been done, and you see this is new generation is powered by Opus, and it has done everything that I requested. You can see the tooltips present on the world usage heat map as well in your cohort retention grid. And then finally your product analytics, and everything you see is present now in neon colors as I requested it to be. Now we will cover image generation from here as well. So in the similar manner, you can generate images as well as videos directly from inside Open Design. We know that both image and video generation capabilities Claude does not have. It's a really good coding as well as text model, but does not have any image or video generation models. But over here in Open Design, you will be provided with image templates, which you can directly copy. There are a lot of templates which are available. Similarly, for videos, you have a lot of video templates available over here. You can just copy any one of them. And when it comes to configuring your media providers, you can just provide your API keys like I have done over here. Once that's done, you save it and you're good to go. Now, up until now, we have covered only the paid providers. But what you can do is you can also connect free models as well. So let me show you how you can do that. You need to have open code installed for the same. And then you just need to go to Open Router, and you need to have an Open Router account. You can get your API keys, and I would suggest having $10 at least present in your account. And post which you can just create your API keys, plug it into open code, and then you have open code connected to your Open Design. And basically, you can choose the model of your choice directly via Open Router APIs from there. This way, your design generation will practically be free. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting new and upcoming technology videos pretty often.